Hello, my name is Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about how to properly think about protecting your rental properties and connecting them to your estate plan. 1 in 4 or 1 in 5 of our estate planning clients here at Smith Strong have rental properties, either residential properties like single-family homes or a beach vacation rental property, or a commercial property, an office or a retail establishment that they rent out. Let's think very carefully about how we manage those properties with your estate planning. First, you have a choice as a property owner that in an investment property context to hold the property in your name or in your LLC's name. And I would advocate strongly that we set up an LLC, title the investment property or rental property in that LLC, and then assign through an assignment of interest that LLC to your estate plan, typically your trust. So there's a 3-step dance that we like to take our property owners through when they come through Smith Strong for estate planning if they have investment properties. Step 1, set up an LLC. We can do this for you. We also secure the tax ID number and serve as the registered agent if you wish. Step 2, retitle or deed the property from your name into the LLC. And then step 3, sign an assignment of interest, again that we prepared just like the deed and the LLC, an assignment of interest assigning that LLC in the event of your incapacity or death to the trust, your estate planning tool, your trust that we set up for you, so that your trustee, either your surviving spouse or partner or the next in line person in charge of your finances, can also manage this rental property, either for the beneficiaries, oftentimes your children, or so they can just simply arrange for the sale and distribution of the proceeds as you wish. And so then a question becomes, a lot of clients will ask is, should I have one LLC for each property, or can I put multiple properties in one LLC? And it depends on your risk tolerance. I have a client with 300 properties. He doesn't want to deal with 300 LLCs, and I don't blame him. It's a lot to keep up with. So he couples 5 to 10 properties in a geographic area in each LLC. Still, I have other clients, and they have, say, 5 or 6 rental houses that they rent out, and each property is in its own LLC. Why? So if there is an issue, a liability or issue on that property, and the fire of that litigation burns that property, so to speak, it doesn't invade the other homes in other LLCs. You see, think of the LLC like a barrel. If you have multiple houses in that barrel and a fire, otherwise known as litigation, burns one of those houses, it could spread to the other houses in that barrel. And so you have to decide, do I want to potentially expose the other houses to that liability or action or issue, or do I want to contain the blaze, one property per LLC? And it just depends on your risk tolerance. It also depends on your insured level. Do you have umbrella insurance policies and other things? We will walk you through this in our complimentary consultation that we often sit down with clients and lay out not only their estate planning and making sure we have all of that drilled down properly, but also not forgetting your investment properties so that those are also included, not only for the next generation, but protected for your lives as well. Thank you so much. There's so much more to cover on this. As you can see, we're passionate educators here. And so if you hold investment properties, come talk to us and make sure we cover that too when you sit down for your estate planning meeting with us. Thank you so much.